Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking about actually your iPhone lens protector. So here's a lens protector that I had on my phone. I actually dropped it and I cracked it. I couldn't believe I cracked it until I started taking some photos and I could just see some reflection in the crack here. So I want to show you the crack if you can see it. You can see the hairline crack right there. That affected one of the lenses right there. So I couldn't believe how important this was. If I didn't have it on my phone, I could have probably damaged my lens and it would have cost me a lot of money. So this is definitely a good and a must. You know, I was never a big believer in all these protectors, but I think it really is because it proves it right here. I got this, I put it on. I did purchase some replacements myself, as was purchased on my own. This was not sent to me by the company. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to clean the lens and get it prepped. And let's just take this out of the package and let's see what's in here. So what we have in here is a cleaning, a wet tissue, and a dry cloth. So the dry cloth is to clean it, right? I always like to use a little compressed air, just get the needed dust off. Just start with that if you have it. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it. Here's a wet tissue. Wet tissue is basically to help get any dirt, any dust, or any fingerprints off your lenses to get it prepped and ready for installation. So all you have to do is take your cleaning cloth and just wipe down your lenses, make sure they're clean. You want to get those all prepped. Super easy. One of these out of the package, and here is how they come. And we'll take it out of the package. So you can see here, these are super thin, super high quality, and I like this quite a bit. About the same size as the old one, which was actually fine. So what you want to do is you want to peel it off, and then you want to get it ready to stick where you want it to go. So you can see here with the camera lens. You can see the configuration with the holes and the notches, and they match exactly. Just basically have to just press on. That's all you have to do. And they fit with most cases, around 99% of all your cell phone cases, which I have a case here. You just pop this on afterwards and you're good to go. So let's just pull this off like it says. And then we line it up. Okay. And we just pop it right over the old lens, just like that. Super simple and super easy. Wow, that was easy. Now check this out. It's on there. You can see that. You got the flash, sensors, all that stuff's all protected again at 100%. And that was really easy. And usually when I get done with that, I'll just dust the top off like that. Put a little even pressure. I recommend just put a little even pressure on for a few seconds. And that's all you have to do. It is just that easy. Clean that up, put that back. And let's pop this back on. And let's see how it fits with my case. Perfect. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay, guys, as you can see, it does fit perfectly. I definitely highly recommend these 1000% to save your lens. Don't be cheap. Buy these. These work really well. There'll be a link in the top right of your video popping up right about now. Check it out. It does cost you nothing to purchase it. It does help support my channel. I really do appreciate that. Also, down below, there is in the field as well. There is a affiliate link. So I do appreciate your time as always. And one more thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review. And don't forget to subscribe for more great videos.